आयतारा चिखलेचे ग्रामसभेत साबार गंभीर विषयांचेर चर्चा जाली। ग्रामसभेत सनबर्नाक खर विरोध जालो। तशेंच विशाल मेगामार्ट लागसरच्या इमारतींक लागून जावपी गटराच्या समस्येविशीं हुस्को उक्तायलो। लागसरच्या नाल्यांत सिवरेजीचे उदक व्हांवपी अनधिकृत पायपलायन काडून पंचायतीन खर कारवाय केल्या सरपंचान माहिती दिली। पळयात
ग्रामसभान मेजर इशू वॉज दॅट सनबर्नाक आमी अपोज केला। देन रोमन लिपी दॅट वी हॅव अप्रूव्ड गव्हर्नमेंटान ताजेर लक्ष दिवपाक जाय। देन देर वॉज सम सीवरेज फ्लोईंग फ्रॉम द बिल्डिंग्स दॅट ऑल्सो वॉज इशू। सो इट वॉज अ व्हेरी हेल्दी Gram Sabha.
Which area was that sewage issue?
You have seen that Vishal Megamart, 3-4 buildings येयला. From there the sewage was flowing. So we have taken a strict action. Last time आम्ही पाय बी सगळे त्यांचे कट केले, त्यांच्यानी गटरान घातलेले. Now henceforth if we see that they are not following the norms, we will be disconnecting the electricity and all.
One issue of stray dogs had come in the Gram Sabha.
It will last so many years. We are facing that problem. Stray dog also solution is मिळना. We are in talks with people for animal. Plus CM सुद्धा announcement केलं that tie up with NGOs. Somehow we'll see that how it can be managed.
Trees there. What do you have to say on that?
ना तो टॉपिक येयलो. Some people कोणाच्या घराच्या लागीं open spaces आहा पळय, they are planting trees and maintaining it. They can do so till Panchayat is not doing anything, but they can't restrict other people to entering or doing development. So the restriction aspa जायना. So we have taken concern of one open space and will be sorting out that issue. आणि बाकी जितले open spaces आहा पळय, we have already taken some open spaces and will be developing all the open spaces in entire Chicalim Panchayat. Then आणि एक इशू येयलो की एक प्लॉट डेवलपमेंट येता. सो प्लॉट डेवलपमेंट वन्स वी गेट अप्रूवल फ्रॉम द PDA, Panchayat is the licensing body. We did the site inspection, proper road is there, and at the time of completion we will be seeing all the things what was committed at the time of license. We will be issuing the license occupancy based on that. जे लायसन्स दिला आम्ही पळय त्यांनी फॉलो केला की ना, ऑन दॅट बेसिस विल बी इश्यूइंग द ऑक्युपन्सी. सो तो एक इशू आशिल्लो.
GOA365 खातीर हिरू महाले, समृता खणगांवकर आनी ओमकार देशप्रभू.